Jaw set, eyes up, wrist slow. Muscle in the mirror, thunder in my chest. Every scar story, every loss a day. Short fuse, tall odds, whole room feels small. Steel in my veins, I'm built for the fall. Pressure on my neck, still walking tall. Bottom of the mountain, I'm laughing at the drop. Heartbeat hammering, I never ever stop. Hey! Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the doubt off. Watch it drop, bank on chop. Yeah, you know I'm all I got. Go long when the red line says to stop. Go long till the last breath, last. Chop, 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 rhythm in my blood, it knocks. Bank on chop, I'm the blade that never drops. Grind lines, deep cuts, sweat falls, no luck. Jawline concrete, back straight, locked in. The world tries to fold me, I just dig in, weight on my shoulders, turn it into stars. Every hit I'm taking only sharpens up the rock. Whoa, long, go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the fear off, let it chop. Bank on chop, put it all up in the shot. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long, hear the echo when I drop. Chop, 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 step by step I never stop. Bank on chop, cause I'll always beat the clock. Shot at the top, long at the base. Built from the grind, not a pretty face. Short at the top, long where it counts. Stacking that strength, add it up, it mounts. Hey! Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the chains off, let them drop. Bank on chop, I'm the storm you can't outrun. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long till the heartbeat says I'm done. Chop, 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 crowd in my chest, it shouts. Bank on chop, bank on chop, bank on chop, 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 chop. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I fell for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And the power of a woman with a brilliant mine. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen.
Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. I see it so clear. All my dreams right in front of me. Yeah, I see it so clear. I know what it takes, but I feel so far. So close, yet so far. I see it so clear. It's right there, but it feels so far. So close, yet so far. See, it starts with a spark. I mean, the real reason why you start trading in the first place, right? That little glimmer of hope, that vision you get of the life you wanna live, that desire, the one you think about all the time, but it feels so far away. And the problem with this desire is that it creates anxiety, impatience, frustration, and ultimately pain. So close, yet so far. 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 Now, in my experience, there's only one way to get what you wanna, get to the life you wanna live, and it's through Pain. The pain of self-reflection, of truly understanding yourself. The pain of knowing that your only enemy is you. The pain of knowing that your emotions control you. The pain of knowing that your emotional lack of control is the only thing that is stopping you. The pain of being real with yourself. And if you can sit with this pain for long enough, something magical happens. You unlock a superpower. You gain access to something that the majority of people don't have. Emotional discipline. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. Pockets getting tight, it's the end of the month, and you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. I gotta be in. The charge calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think, man, and I'm be sick if I miss it. The feel missing out, it got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, 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 wait for confirmation. You gotta wait for confirmation.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial.
I do not for you. Sorry. Sorry. Maybe next month.
Represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Your own research.
Maybe during Latino month I can help you out there, but I can't do nothing right now. Not for this month.
Relationship.
The Maestro. I'm Logan today. Damn, you guys have a whole anime thing? That's so fire.
They should have like guest appearances, like put you or Mac or Izzy in there. Like they should have a version for everybody.
Yo, who made that?
I don't know, but dude, when they first brought it up, holy shit, it was fire. All right.
Bro, that's crazy fire. That's crazy work. I need one of those. I need one of them.
Yeah, I love anime me. I need to become buff like that though.
Bro, you are buff.
29.
Just a little thick. You're just a little thick.
I think you meant I'm puff. I'm puffy. Not that
Puff,
kind of
buff.
puff.
You are
Not
kind of built like
spoiled.
Mrs. Puff. I'm just saying. Like, I don't know.
Like
don't know.
Mrs. Puff.
You kind of built like Mrs. Puff. If this shit breaks this, I do kind of want to see a pop here. I do like this area for a continuation here.
If the 2 minute can hold over 40, I want to see that 5-star popping over 50 as well. This can
Yup.
This can get really juicy.
I'm gonna wait it though, but yeah, that boy do kind of look like Mrs. Puff. LOL. Can't believe I said that. I really didn't mean that, bro. Like,
You know what? I don't even. Oh, Mrs. Puff from SpongeBob. Yeah, you know what? She's got a little more round kind of beer belly than me. I have more, man. Who like there? I don't think there's nobody like cartoon wise I can say I'm built like. I'm built
Kind of
like
breaking
literally
40
ice.
here. Longs not bad here. Longs are
Okay.
not bad there. It is kind of popping. Pop it.
Dom does go
Oh,
crazy up there around
interesting.
the area.
Not copy trading. Oh, so nice, so cool. I love that so much. I love that so much. And not copy trade. Oh yeah, great. I love that. I love that so much. I love that so much. No copy trade by me. By me.
If this SPX candle can close above 73.69, this is gonna definitely look good.
I jumped in there and I wasn't copy trading. I am gonna have to partial some out there just because I jumped in too minis
Oh
per
yeah, look at
account. I
that.
didn't want to do that. I am up 50 ticks by the way. Clean pop
Yeah,
over
I
the
kinda
40 for 10 points. Just pay
I cut
myself there.
yeah, I
One
cut a quick 10-pointer too. But
solid
this is
little
looking good.
10
This is looking good.
pointer and then a solid little break even already. So there's no loss to take. And we secure $200 just like that. 250 just like that per minnow.
The 50 get taken next.
No, if we do run here, we do look real good. It would look real good here. How to pull out 20K for my paper trading? Oh, really? I don't know. I don't know what paper trade mean.
Yeah, I'm keeping an eye on SPX to hold over 68.72.
My break even is sitting at 38.25 and it got pulled out there. We did secure $200 exiting at the high. Can't complain. Can't complain.
30. All right, I kind of feel like testing this
Shit hit
again.
my break even and wicked out. Let's see if it continues here.
150.
Lama, shut up. Javi, turn up your volume. How about this one? Bang, disconnect. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Did you just get disconnected? Whoopsie.
You can turn up my volume.
Right.
Yeah. Did you not know that? All right, here's the test of 29. I want to see if SPX can hold
Oh,
this
sorry,
area.
please.
Ooh, never mind. This might be actually
Good
a
exit
range.
there. Satisfied. Satisfied with that exit there. I'm not gonna lie. I'm satisfied with that exit there right there, my boy.
That was a clean exit.
Like I never got back in, bro. Poor guy. Disconnected him and he never joined back.
Dom is
Oh, what's the
reacting down
5
here.
indicators on screen? The other, well, one of them is this. The other 3 indicators is what I used to use before I coded, before we coded my indicator that put it all together in one. I just still have them.
Oh, breaking right through. Ooh.
I just still have them.
All right, I think the short might
If it breaks
be
under this low, bro, this has room for another dump person here. I want to see how it reacts at 35. If it pops up to 35, maybe it continues falling and I take a short here and continuation dump.
short here from here will be a stop at 15. It's already kind of going. It'll be a 15.
I just let a green trade go red. I'm a chode. Lock in, brother.
Yes.
I told you, called the break even there. Called the partial, called the break even. There's no reason to let a green trade go red. You should always collect. Collect the money and see if it runs. It did break this low. We knew it was going to flip, which is why we go break even on that trade because it shouldn't have fell back if it was going to remain bullish.
919 needs to break if this is going to continue to go. We could get stuck in this little range right now too.
Thinking here, Javis. Javiski. Orb, look, we've talked about this the past couple weeks. When you see Orb get blasted through like this, it's always good indication that we're coming back to it. The way we're dumping, that could be your target. It would be Orb. You'd want to see how Orb reacts. Let's see if we come back to this 30-ish, 35, maybe catch an entry for a down move, but I do want to see us at least approach Orb.
Dude, I got in late too. I wanted to get in a little higher at 29-ish. I already got my 10 points. I got in at 26.58.
Nice. There you go.
There we go. There's my 15 points right there. Boom.
Nice. There you go, Javi. So nice, so good. Are y'all brothers? Yeah, we are brothers. Hello. Yeah. We got same Faja.
I wouldn't be surprised.
We just said the confluence on quantum and P2P are great to make a green trade. Correct.
My dad was a hoe, so could be possible.
Correct. Anyone else having troubles with Tradeovate? No, not really. Got no troubles with Tradeovate so far. Tradeovate's been pretty smooth, if you ask me.
And I got chilled out. Wait. Could keep going. If it keeps staying under 29, this could easily kind of
want to see if it does these retests at 30s, and if that reacts well, then I jump into the short. But for now, I'm sitting out.
That's exactly what I'm looking for too. I'm looking to see every test at 29.
Where are my bitches? Right. They got 2 cuck chairs waiting. 2 cuck chairs waiting. Get a rectum plotted on them. Is it wise to use TradingView and to use the indicators to make the movement on Thinkorswim? Yeah, you could.
Oh,
It's
there
definitely
goes.
it's not a bad idea. I use
It didn't
TradingView to
get
always
full retest.
chart. I chart on TradingView, but I execute trades on execution platforms.
Yeah.
If this breaks this low,
Breaks
you
this
have
909.
nice room here.
Yep. That's what I'm looking
That
at.
909 that we were
909
talking about, though, I'd want to see it lose that 909. There goes the 909 on the money. Loses
Dom's
that, it
going
has
crazy right
free
here.
range to orb for like 40 points.
Come on. I got
If
2
it loses
micros.
here, go here.
But if
Gotta
this
see
can
it
keep
lose the
going.
909. That's what we were talking about earlier. Haven't seen this many
I'm going
Latinos with money since the Super Bowl.
crazy.
That was a good one. I'm not gonna lie, I respect that. Because it lost 909. It lost. Oh, and I clicked the button there. It lost 909. Lost 909, but it's wicking out. I want to see a full closure under 909.
Yep. I want to see it retest and hold. I want to see the Dom
Full
continue to go
closure
crazy.
under 909.
Dom's
Needs to
going
see
buck
full
wild now.
closure. How's ES looking? ES is at a point of interest that's very interesting.
Has room for me until 860.
That boy said, haven't seen this many Latinos with money since the Super Bowl. That was actually one of the funniest things I've read all day. Not gonna lie to you.
Okay, Dom's going nuts right now. There's a nice candle closure below. Now let's see if this can just.
There's the
do
break.
a
You want to see the
retest
same
and
thing
retest.
that's been going on. The break and the retest, the break and the retest, break and the retest. You want to see boop, boop, and then just continuation downwards.
Yep.
Ideally.
Same exact style I do.
Ideally, you want to see this candle now wick and flip. There's a wick. It's got a flip going. A clean wick. We want to see a flip here. Want to see flip here, please? Flip here, please.
Ooh. The Dom's going a little bit nasty up here.
There's a 9. Want to see this 9 hold. If it breaks over this 9, I might catch a full close, depending on how this closes.
I have 1475 as a level.
You said what? 1475?
1475. Yep. Just touched it.
Nice. Beautiful. That was a good rejection out of here. I do want to see this candle close under the 9. Then we could probably get a Treasy down.
Yep.
Got up to this candle. This candle touches everything. We get our continuation.
Let's go.
Are we in a trade? Yes, we are currently in shorts.
Yeah,
currently in shorts. Currently in shorts and rolling.
There's my 10 points. I got my 10 points already.
There was the current. I want to take this to orb low keysers, but I'm gonna have to take a nice little position off if we can get to 84.
Look at the
I want to manage my trade accordingly though in a bit. Gotta get a nice nasty wick out. Not a fan of that. Question: Wall starts close me out. Is it blown? Probably. If it insta closes you probably blew the account there, Jimmy. Oh, your name's actually Jimmy.
It's dropping. Let's go, guys.
Nice.
It was just instant meltdown.
Nice. That's very nice.
75, bro. That was so clean.
Very nice. It's very nice. I might have to put a stop right on top of that body. I'm gonna just go to stop because it's getting aggressive here.
It is.
I'm probably gonna go stop right on top of that body. I do want to see this candle not even make a new high. If it does, it pulls me out. That was a very nice flip, though. Very nice flip. We target that wick and we just go here. Short's looking good. Short is looking good, boys. About 20-ish points from the real high that we took was already 40 points in profit. This is pushing here at 84. I'm going to manage position and take partials if we can get to 84. There it is, 88, 88. We're almost at 84. Give me that. Honestly,
I'm looking at
5 points
83.
away, you could take this partial here at 5 points away. You could take a partial here at 5 points away. It's not a bad idea to take a little partial here. If we can break through this 84, it looks really healthy.
Yeah.
I'm going to manage SL to 96 for now, but I am paying myself some at this low of 84. There's 84.
Oh, there it is.
No, it's 85.
Close. We gotta
85.
get it.
Yep.
We're gonna get it.
There's a
There it is.
bang.
There
There's
it
a
is. There it is.
bang. There's a bang.
Yep. There's
I'm
83.
changing SO. SO is now going to 88.
On the
SO is now
dot.
going to 88 because it could pop up to a 90. Oh my God, it's dumping.
Let's
At orb, I'm
fucking
going to hit a
go,
full
Lama.
close. At
Let's
orb, I
fucking
might
go,
hit a
dude.
full close and I might say, thank you. I might say, come again, please. I might say,
60
come again,
would be next.
please.
60 would be next. Let's fucking
Do
go,
we go to
dude.
orb here or what? Do we go to orb here or what? How far are we from orb? Where's orb? 69, 8 points away.
Beautiful.
Oh my God, I think I have any red.
Oh,
We're hitting
baby.
orb.
Let's
We're
go,
right there from
dude.
orb.
Oh
There's
my
orb.
God.
There's orb tab. There's another partial. We're breaking through it. I'm trailing all the way at 72.
Lama.
Trailing all the way at 72.
Dude, let's
I'm
go,
trailing at
guys.
72. We're gonna see if we take this down to 35. We should get some type of pullback from here, so I'm gonna trail close at 72.
Yeah.
But if it does
58.
bleed, it can go 35. I'm gonna let it pull me out at
58 bottom of
72.
the box, so yeah.
Fuck it,
Ooh,
72. Oh, we got pulled out there.
What a short there, brother. Fucking unbelievable.
Wow! What a dumpy! It's so pretty.
Let's go. I got trailed out right there.
It was
Look at
so
that.
pretty.
That center
It
of
was
soft
just so
box almost lined
good.
up exactly with your shit, man. You were
It was
saying
just
84.
so
I had
good. And there's
83.
your pullback, and you avoid giving back 20 points. You avoid giving back 20 points, please. Hero, please. Hero, please. We talk about this in the morning, untested. We got to target this later in the day. Power hour going to be fun, and they're going to dump. It's going to go 130, and then they're going to dump. And then later it happened, and it's so crazy. It's so crazy how you say 2-3 hours ago, it going to dump to orb and then do 250 down. It's like, oh my God, how you know that going to happen? And then it happened, and you're like, oh my God, how that happened? How you know, though? Oh, simple.
Yes,
Supply
saben.
action. Looks so good.
Ya ves qué pasan cuando ponen dos latinos juntos. Por eso somos ricos. Por eso Bad Bunny estuvo en el Super Bowl.
Right. Right. Oh, muy bien. Oh, muy bien.
Bienvenidos al Hora de Poder.
Hora de poder. This fucking guy. So what do we do for the next hour? Do we catch more trades? Held to topside orb and closed out 540 ticks.
Let's go, trader. Let's go, bro.
It's just fucking love that, bro. It's fucking love that. And if this 84 holds, it has room to dump, but this is the real area of decision right here. This 84. If this holds, we can go dump a little bit more. But if it breaks this, I don't want to be in
going
it.
nuts. Dom's going nuts.
Yep,
Holy
that's
shit.
the area of indecision there. That Dom can definitely go crazy there. You want to see 84 hold.
You see what
If
Mama
not,
Flames
it's gonna
is doing
pop.
there?
If not, it's gonna pop.
Lama, Mama Flames wet.
I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, Javi. Crispy ass 50 pointer, like sniper exit. This is what we call the Batman. This is what we call the Bruce Wayne. Fucking throw the shit out. You fucking disappear. You're out of the trade, and then this shit pulls back all the way to entry, and you're just secured all your profits. I'm gonna full close that orb. Gets the orb. Full close.
Damn straight. Look at that beautiful exit.
Can't keep doing this shit. I honestly can't keep doing this shit. Can't keep doing this shit. Can't keep doing this shit. Honestly. There's a full fucking popper right back up. That orb.
Yep, right off the top of orb. Had my sauce box lined up with it too. Just clean. Clean price action. Now, if this cannot break over that 914, 909 area and it comes back down under 80, the dumpathon may continue. It may.
Thanks for all the trades today, Logan. Was an easy day. Let's fucking drop some hearts for Logan. He just fucking killed it today. Drop some hearts on the Logie. Drop some hearts on the Logie. Drop some purple pickle emojis. Don't drop the Israeli. Don't drop the
All hail
drop the
Logie
star. Don't drop the star. Let's get some purple pickles for Logie. The Max star. Crazy work.
Pickles.
Crazy work.
Pickles.
All hail my muscle daddy. I'm sending that to his girlfriend, Gigi. She's gonna beat you up. He is a fighter.
You know, I would pay to watch that. I would definitely pay
Is the
to watch
130
that.
fib 2? No, it's fib 1. The 130 is fib 1. The 120 is fib 2.
She'll take the girlfriend. There you go. That's Seema's probably right. All right,
We have
here's
a
the
good
next
question here. Do you think Rosa Parks was throwing that shit back? 100%. Matter of fact, she probably wasn't, though. She probably wasn't throwing that shit. If you really like, look, all right, hold on, guys. This might be controversial. I know that it's February, but it's an honest question. If Rosa Parks was actually throwing that shit back accordingly, wouldn't her husband just have drove her around?
You know what? I never thought about it that way. You got a fair point there.
You
got a
feel what I'm saying, though?
Yeah. He would definitely not let her ass walk. He'd be too scared of, someone else taking her off the streets. You know what I'm saying?
It was broke, bro. They had a car. They had a whip.
Yeah.
Can you join Logan's coaching calls, if you have his indicator, like you can with Javi? Of course. Of course.
Only when he does
Of course, my
PHP
horse.
stuff. So it's unique to the
Oh, please
indicators, right?
stop. It's an honest question. What do you mean I can't ask questions? They said they had a whip. That's the word around town.
They did. I remember reading that. They had a whip.
Let me look, bro. Now I'm about to Google this shit. Hold up. Did
You're right.
Rosa
It might have been
Parks
broken
own
down.
a car? Said she didn't have a whip.
Didn't her man have a whip? She had a man at the time. At least I don't know. I'm a conspiracy guy too, though, so I remember reading something about that.
Said she didn't have a whip, twin. So she didn't have a whip.
Conspiracy busted. Gotta stop watching TikTok.
Does Judge Judy have more of a dumper than 80% of kinfolks? Yes. From what I've seen, Judge Judy got a dump truck
She has
on
a
her.
donk. She has a donk.
Got a dump truck. From what I've heard.
Judge Judy, undercover donk. Like, would never have thought. I watched all her shit back in the day. I would have never thought she had that donk. Never.
She got a thing on her, right?
I'm probably gonna die after the show, guys. So it was.
I'm gonna let this hold is clean. Oh my god.
Yeah, it should be, her name should be Judge Booty. Judge Booty.
Judge Booty. I want to sniff it.
How many of y'all here believe Earth is flat? I want to see. I'm curious.
Earth? Do you think Earth is flat?
Flat
Though?
Earthers we got in here.
Like, do you really think the Earth is flat?
I'm on the plane. I look at the horizon. I don't see a fucking curve. So
right.
I question it sometimes, but I don't know, dude. Unless like you're in outer space and you can legitimately see it. And look, okay, we got a pilot. I'm a pilot and can confirm it's not flat. See, there you go. We got a pilot.
Like I said, can we trade or ... Brother, we just called a 50-point down move.
But I do like the theory about like
what would you do?
There being a wall around Antarctica or right? It's Antarctica where the wall is. I do like the idea.
Right,
like,
hold on.
Like a little.
How do you feel about? Did we
inside.
Actually get to the moon?
No, not in 53. We didn't get to the moon.
100%. We never got to the moon, right? 100%.
Or whatever. Yeah. Hell no, man.
Yeah, we did not. We did not make it there. We did not make it there, twin.
No, not with tinfoil shit and those things that look like they came from Home Depot. Hell no.
We ain't get to the moon, twin. No moon landing. Yeah. I don't believe that one either. Why didn't we go back? It's been 70 years. Why didn't we go back?
Yeah. I swear it looks like my Tío Juan and Jose built that thing. So no.
Juan and Jose. Right.
That's like that's what plumbing looks like. But it is weird like that we haven't gone back since. And all the other Apollo missions and stuff. It's like
it's mad suspect, bro. It's mad suspect. Why would we not go back? In 70 years, we have all types of technology. Why wouldn't we go back?
And Elon's trying to go to Mars too now. Like,
why is he going to Mars and not the moon?
Because apparently we're all gonna die and they need to repopulate another planet.
Right, but that's what I'm saying. It's like if you want to go to Mars, the moon should be right there. It should be like a quick little drive to like Orlando or some shit. Like, why didn't he just go to the moon real quick and be like, did it? Like, Told y'all.
I think if the Earth does get destroyed or dies, the moon might go with it. Is my guess. But Mars apparently also has ice.
Right. I'm not saying to live on the moon. I'm just saying to pull up
Yeah.
to it. Like, why not take a picture on the moon?
Yeah, I
like,
know, right? Yeah, that's true.
You
Have
feel
you ever
me?
seen
Like,
those pictures back in the day of like the dark side of the moon apparently having light and fixtures?
they say that the Decepticons are on the moon.
Yeah, I'd hang out with the Decepticons. They seem pretty cool. Probably kill you,
You
but
know?
whatever. I just want to see if they're
Look
real.
at this clean little
I'm
structure
like, you're real
up
dead.
to it. This is that 84 again. If this 84 breaks, we could see newer lows. If this holds, if this is going to actually flip bullish for the day, this 84 needs to hold. And then you want to see a flip back bullish, which that is a clean wick out off of it. Very clean wick out off of very clean wick out off of it. 20 points right then and there. This would be the area
908,
for
908,
longs to happen.
909 needs to break and hold for it to be the real flip. Like for what I'm seeing for me, and then after that we can contest 940. If we break 940 afterwards, then yeah, we're gonna see a potential flip.
According to these two, it looks legit. What the fuck?
What?
Yeah.
Prime time.
What is the
I think
best
Elon-
Apex eval to get? Trying to get my first few with code BDM. Whatever you can afford, twin. Whatever you can afford. The accounts, they're all the same shit, really. Realistically, I'm gonna give y'all some chicken here. While the market's doing nothing, just in case you guys get upset that I'm not calling trades every 3 minutes for you. Give you some free chicken if you're okay with that. Statistically, the 50K account is the best account due to drawdown and account balance. Percentage wise, you get more of a drawdown percentage wise. So if you notice, the 50K gives you, I think, what, 3K drawdown or 2K draw? What's the percentage, Shelby? Nice. So it's some shit like that. The bigger account size, like if you go to 100, it's not double the drawdown. You guys get what I'm trying to 2,500. You don't go to double. You see how it's already kind of fucking you up? Like on a 50K, you get 2,500. On a 150, you should get 7,500. When you do the math, the count is triple the size. The drawdown should be triple, and it's not. So statistically and mathematically, the 50K should be the best account.
I made out of 450K accounts my first 2 months $19,000.
Damn.
2 months with 450K accounts. So don't underestimate 50Ks. Don't.
I'd fucking slap your ass and call you Lance Armstrong. There's this break of 84 here, guys. We want to see, this is real area of interest here. If this breaks, I want to see newer lows. If this holds, I want to see newer highs. To me, this is the area that tells us everything.
80 needs to break. I have one of my candles there. 80 needs to break and hold on this 1 minute right here in 30 seconds if it's going to go. This is what I'm looking for. SPX already broke its bullish candle, so if this one can do that and break 80, but look at that, bounce right up.
Still getting no printage.
Mm-mm.
No printage.
So people on YouTube are saying moon demons. China is actively executing a robust multi-stage plan to land astronauts on the moon by 2030.
Closed right at 84. I don't know. I still gotta wait it out.
China has like the ability to do it on the cheap. Oh, here we go. Here's 80. I need this minute candle to close. I mean, they could just start ripping underneath it too. But this 80 needs to break. And then I need to see the candle close, maybe a little retest. And then a stop loss point could potentially be above 90. It's already breaking it. Son of a bitch. All right. It's just going. It's just gone. It just left. Son of a, yeah.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
I didn't enter it.
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. If you think I'm just gonna stay in a fucking group chat with you on Instagram and you're not sending no ass, bro, I'm instantly gonna kick you out the chat. What's up?
That sounded like Pooter.
All right, it's been interesting, but I don't give a fuck about you sending all this political bullshit. I want to see bitches with ass. And if yeah, no, I actually am busy currently live in front of about 1,500 people. Do you need anything else? They know how I feel about BBLs. They already know this.
It's 80 retest. I want to see it stay underneath 90. I want to see what this
Cool.
retest is.
Dale, bye.
Oh, SPX bounced off this level here.
Fucking guys here just sending political bullshit in the chat, and then when I tell them stop sending this bullshit and send bitches with some cake, they want to call me all upset.
Oh, it's already going. I'm looking for 77. Give me 70. I mean, sorry, 67.
There was a clean break of 84. It's kind of going here, but I'm just still not interested in. You're in this, Javi?
Yeah, with 5 micros. I'm looking for 67. I waited for that retest, that break and retest. Got it. My stop was at 90. I got in at 77.
See if it goes down to what, like the 35-ish?
I just collected my quick 10 Rooney right there, but if this can continue to go down, I have a few runners running. I'm looking at 58.
Okay.
58 for the next.
Let's see.
Area.
This is it here. Does it break into a newer low or not? This is it right here. It's probably going to be within the next candle. About to be the 15 minutes. About to print here. We're gonna get a new 15. How's this 15 printing at the low? Potential. You really want to see if this 15 breaks inside low key. If this 15 minute can break through, it might just give a little flushy.
Dom's going nuts right now. Dom is going nuts.
If the first 15 minutes closing within a minute, look at the thick Charizard.
I'm careful here because this is at the top side of orb. I already got my 10 points, so I am at break even. Just because we are at top side of orb.
Right. I like that idea. It's all up to this next candle. This next candle is really gonna tell us everything.
And I'm out. It took me out. That's okay.
Took you out there? Good exit. It kept popping. Good exit. Good exit. Let's see what happens here. I'm really not convinced by a double tap alpha orb. Like, really not convinced by that.
I mean, I'm really still liking it as long as it stays under 90. Like, if it can, I want to see if it'll test that 90 area, and if it can reject, maybe.
It's heading there. It's heading there now, twin. Heading there now, twin. It's looking like a nice double bottom here. I'm just not convinced. You think this W's and just goes the whole way up and we get a think that's the case?
If this is going to be a confirmed higher low, maybe. But that's the only way I see it possibly doing. But it needs to start ripping back.
Lady, what happened there, my man? What happened there, my man? Let's see what happened there, my.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm just not too convinced on it double tapping orb and bouncing. Like, does that mean I'm going to go long? Probably not. Does that mean I'm going to go short right now? Probably not. I need to wait. Wait and see what happens here. Need to wait and see what. Oh, and there goes 11 twice with the signal.
There goes. Look at
that means do the opposite. Yep. Just double bottom. I'm not convinced by this holding. Yep. There's the break. I do kind of want to see this go to 30. I'm not going to lie to you. I do kind of want to see it go to 30. That 84 that we've been talking about just held clean for another 20 points. That 84 did just hold kind of clean. Maybe it rips through and we see this 30, you know, like did click the button and I am rolling in profit, but I'm just this low would be where I get out unless it flushes like that, then I just say fuck it and hold it. But unless it just flushes like that and we say we don't believe in the double bottom because it don't make no sense.
There's 58. If we can break 38 could be next. I got one runner left. I opened up. This is my third account. I think I just opened up.
Nice.
My mic is low. Why is my mic low?
See what happens here. I mean, bro, that was a clean breakthrough. I wasn't really believing into that fucking. Wasn't believing this double bottom here. Was a good bleed through. I'm probably just gonna trail stops at what 64. I guess I'll trail the stops at and see if we get a full flush to 30. 64.25 is gonna be my trail. It is a little tight. I should have put it above 68. I think I'm gonna change it. 68.50 is gonna be the trail. 68.50 is the trail. Is a clean rejection of the 84 we've been talking about. Let's see if we continue here. This is a break into orb. We want to see this FVG hold, maybe retap topside orb with the FVG and pair it to go down and 3-bar the whole way through would be kind of cool. Yes, but like, don't want to see a
Weird.
breakout here.
All my
We
volumes.
really don't want to see a breakout here.
And hello. Okay, yeah, all my volumes
There's
are
the
maxed out. I don't know why
retest into the FV jizzle. This is anticipated. We don't let this scare us. Trail bang. My trail got hit. Trail got hit. Now, if this wicks out, I will be pretty upset. But my trail did get hit there. I gotta exit my position. Fucking same movement like NQ. There you go. Good shit, lone wolf.
Yeah.
Good shit, my boy.
All right. This might retest a little bit of this area one more time.
If this
but
breaks out, then it gets bullish here because this if it wanted to short, should have stayed inside orb and then continued dumping. So we got to see what happens here. This is really the area of indecision here. I let it pull me out, but I will jump back in if I have to. But it has to look good.
That's a failed blue that tried to form.
It's got to look good though if we're gonna take this joint. Gotta look good if we're gonna take this joint though. Strat 6. No, guys, be cautious here. Don't be cautious. Be cautious with that strat 6 though. You don't want to get caught up. You don't want to get caught up though. Strat 6 would tell you go short though. Just saying. Strat 6 would tell you go short though.
This is actually kind of
It
interesting.
would tell you that. But
if this 5-minute manages,
I'm telling you, it's kind of long here.
Yeah, that's
Back
what
to the 84.
5-minute closes up here. This is looking like a long.
This is pretty below. This is pretty below, and I do kind of want to see this 950-ish get hit here. Low keysers. I do kind of want to see 950 get hit though. It's a clean. If it breaks 84 clean, this might be the entry to just ride that bitch up for like 60 points.
Damn. I missed the entry on it. I mean, I just got a signal right now.
Could be clean entry though.
Yeah, used to break 87.
Could be clean entry. Let's see if it does break back under the 84. It's just the same area. It's been fighting this little zone here. If it breaks to this, we should see a pop. I'm gonna wait this one out here. Wait this one out here. If we get a candle flip, maybe I'd jump at it.
I mean, it's kind of presenting a little pullback, but I want to see it. I don't want to see it retest all the way to 68. This 5-minute is about to lock in over here.
68?
Yeah. This just
a little deep.
Yeah, I know. That's where the stop loss would be on this potential long for me. But
your stop loss.
Yeah, this is setting up. This is setting up
on this 5-minute. Let's see if it does break above. If it breaks above and we jump into it, but I don't know. That break out of orb ski, not a fan of that. I don't like when orb gets disrespected like this. A break in, a break out. To me, it's just full on disrespect.
There it goes. It went to retest.
Full on like not holding.
See, that's why
there's your 68 you talked about. Let's see. This would be, I guess, what this like risk to reward trade. You think it just shoots up from here?
This would be about a 57 stop. Would be at 57 for this potential, but I'm not liking the way the Dom's reacting right now. It's not giving me the craziness that I'm looking for.
You wanted to see a crazy little wick out off the top.
I want to see the Dom speed up. Now it's starting to speed up a little bit at 71. There it goes.
All right. You want me to click the buy button with you? I'll click it. I'll click it if you tell me to, Avi. I promise you I click that button though.
I'm not liking there it goes. See, look, this is what I'm not liking. I'm not liking
this is the orb disrespect. The fucking break in, break out, break in. This is that orb disrespecter.
This is
I hate the orb disrespecter. I hate the orb disrespecter.
And it did not. There it goes. Now it's going crazy.
See, let's see. It's kind of giving a pop here, Javi. If I see a little bit of aggression, I might jump into it, Javi. I just got to get aggressive here. And I might click that button with you.
Dom's definitely reacting now all of a sudden. Top side of orb. I want to see it hold that 68.
Let's see. Do we click the button here, Javi? Kind of want to.
Very tempted. I'm very tempted to as well.
I want to hear.
It's just not pulling up far enough. That's the problem. You see how it pulls back like that? That's what I don't like.
It's a little weak, right?
Yeah.
Kind of bullshitting. Here, right, Twin?
Yep. So it's if it doesn't start reacting and popping up here in the next, maybe I want to say minute or two. This candle has about 3 minutes left. What time is it? We still got freaking.
The brand new 5 minute candle. This is the first minute of the brand new fiver. So down wick on this 5 minute makes sense. Now if this 5 minute does flip it, but we're still just super downtrendy. Super downtrendy. Unless it starts getting aggressive here, we could snipe a nice 5 minute candle.
And it's just
could snipe some nice shit. It's just kind of gotta play accordingly. This ES taking new lows. ES taking new lows. It's kind of getting ugly here.
Yeah, I think the short might be in play here. If it cannot retake 68 on this 5 minute candle closure, then it's definitely looking like it wants to come down some. But I'm gonna wait on it because I'm not seeing the reaction I want to see.
See. Let's see. Off this.
Dom is
Does it break into orb? Does it respect orb? I'm not gonna lie. She can do whatever the fuck it wants right now. She can literally do whatever it wants right now. Orb is getting diddied. That is correct. When it does this, break in, break out, break in, lay around it, it's getting diddied. It's getting fondled with. But I mean, the way it's holding outside, it's like whatever. It's like, you know, it's not nothing too crazy. Seriously, Javi, the gain on your mic must be low. We can barely hear you. Javi sounds good, bro. You literally just gotta raise his volume. Just right click his name and raise his volume.
All right. It's kind of going already a little bit.
Yeah, it's kind of moving. That little orb tab is kind of holding here.
The Dom is starting to speed up a little bit. It wasn't speeding up down there though. That's the only thing that I'm cautious about, because if that level was going to be a decent hold, it should have started speeding up below it. So now I'm starting to see it react here. So this is starting to look decent. And if this
playing the waiting game here, Javi, I'll play the wait. If it does break over 85 clean, I'm gonna click the button. Gotta break it. If not, I'm just playing the waiting game. Javi, what do you have the mic connected to? Do you have an interface?
Scarlet, yeah, the Scarlet something. There goes.
Put the gain up on the Scarlet. Hold on, this is that pop.
Max. It's max. It's at the max.
Oh.
Like here, I turn it. Can you hear me? And then
I turn it all the way connected to your Dom.
It's connected to my Dom. Dude, the pop went.
I only got this is at 85. We really want to see a break of this, bro. And I'm just gonna click the button, bro.
78 is holding, so I'm gonna hold on to these 4 micros just to see. But I got in with 4.
You jumped it in, nice.
So yeah, I did it. It was 50. It was 10-point stop loss.
Right.
I was a little bit, honestly, I was scared of it because it didn't give me that reaction. But I'm already floating 13 points.
Nice.
What is that? How many ticks is that? Right, 50 ticks.
42.
There you go.
If this candle wicks and flips,
almost
52.
Right there.
If this candle wicks and flips, this is gonna get aggressive here. But if not, then it's just gonna stay in a chop, bro. 330 volume should be pulling up in about 5 minutes. The five looks like it's rounding, bro. This looks like good rounding. If you can get one 5 minute candle straight up, you're looking like a payday. Kind of what I'm anticipating. Like a 5 minute.
I got one right here. Boom! I scaled that one right there. Damn, that was clean.
Anticipating. Look, there's the clean break. Want to see continuation here. What I don't like is NQ coming up and taking the high, and ES staying all the way down here. ES is still very low. Very low.
Strength.
So it's like
I want to see it start holding above 78. There's a nice bounce.
It's like tricky again. Breaking back under 40.
Yeah, NQ showing strength over SPX for sure.
Yeah.
I got 2 micros running.
A lot of it.
Yeah, and it's about to take me out.
It's just dumbing back down.
Yeah.
Realistically, I don't see NQ making a newer low here. If it does, it'll be interesting.
Yeah.
But ES has to start breaking above here, because the way that NQ took these highs, ES didn't, is why you get this type of pullback. But ES needs to start getting aggressive. If it's gonna pop, we're gonna really pop here, ES needs to start picking up hard. See, it's looking good. Potential treasy.
20 points, yeah.
Potential treasy.
showing
About
strength.
5 more seconds on that.
Come on,
There she
there you go.
goes.
There you go.
Not looking
Rip.
bad. On a print like that is not bad. We're gonna see a continuation candle.
If I can get that 9150, that's 20 points. And I might scale one more out there and leave one runner to go.
There goes ES. ES is picking up. NQ might be ready to take a lift off. Really just want to see a 5 minute. Like this
There
is
you go. There
clean
was
rounding on the
9150.
5 minute. Just
Damn, that
such
rejected off
clean,
9150.
such clean rounding on the 5. Or just
is,
one
yeah, it
little
is.
type of pop up. Setting up for some nice rounding. I just want to see one little like a little NASA landing. You know what I'm saying? I want to see some type of NASA landing. See some shit like this, like where the motherfucker, where the little mud,
I
where the
got
little
20
mud.
points out of it. And that was it so
Tripping or
far.
what? Want to see some shit like this.
Rocket ship. Straight to the moon.
Want to see some shit like that.
Dude,
And then you want
SPX
to see it kind of, then you kind of want to see it. Where's the moon at in this bitch?
Yeah, where's the moon at? You might have to draw it.
Nah, they got it. They got that motherfucker.
They got the moon in there? Oh my goodness.
Of course they got the moon, twin. You thought you were the only one mooning people?
Yeah. I thought that was my thing.
Then I want to see it kind of come up here to the 50s like this. So here's our moon. I want to see this kind of go like that. And then where's the smoke?
I'll forever be known as the traitor to show his crater.
Traitor to show his crater is deviant. Oh, that's not what I'm looking for. Traitor to show his crater is devious work. There's no way you just said that. Where's the smoke at in this bitch?
My thing, unfortunately. All right, if SPX, this is gonna be the flip here. If SPX can rip over 86, 80, well, I'm sorry, 861, let's say 90. If it can rip that, SPX will start to hopefully do its flip up, and then NQ may continue to pump if this area continues to hold. But if it doesn't,
it's all up to this. If it breaks this high, we're looking good. If not, it is cooked.
Yep. So
Got you. Hold on.
SPX can.
I'll get us right here, twin. Don't worry.
Oh, there's the moon. Got the moon.
Gotta just wait on it.
Got the moon. SPX refusing to get over that area. 861.90. Let me get the exact number. Let me zoom in. I'm about to get trailed out on my runner. Ooh, Dom's going violent. Dom is getting violent.
Dom's getting violent here. It's got to break 85. If it doesn't break this, I feel like it's not going, so it's not ready. It wants to do one more squeeze to the south side, which might be that move all the way to 30. That's kind of what it's telling me. Because if it wanted to go, it would have gone by now. You feel what I'm saying?
Dom is definitely going nuts in this.
If it doesn't go with this 330 volume, then it's just gonna hit a down move. Nice little squeeze and then a go. Oh, there's the volume. Hold on.
There it goes. 861.92. SPX. Here's the flip. I got my one runner running. Oh yeah, baby.
It's going here. It's going here. I mean,
it gave you like another chance to get in down there at 71 for a quick 20-point push. Wow.
What are we missing? Are we missing?
Oh my god! There we go. Finally, it's going. Oh my gosh, dude! There it goes. Oh, there it goes. 30 points. 30 points on my runner.
Are we missing any emojis? There goes the move. Are we missing? All we have to do is draw the emojis.
You got the aliens. You got the magnet in there.
All we have to do is draw the emojis.
Get the stonks.
Now you want to see this hold. This structure here, this resistance I was holding, you want to see this pop, this hold, and now turn support and then pop up. I want to see at least 950, like on the low end.
I want to see 909 break next. 909 needs to break next.
The alien and UFO drawn by a Mexican. That's a good one.
That's right.
Not Mexican. Not Mexican there, little cracker. We are making this move, though. We are making this move, though.
Points?
There's 909. This is going to be a partial here. This is going to be a partial here. Bang. And now you want to see if we take it up to 50 and just get another 50 pointer. I'm really just going to hold the fuck out of this.
Okay. Dude,
okay, who cares?
I saw this whole thing and was able to follow. Right there's that 5-minute level that formed that 68
You want to see a break of this fucking 909?
that I was looking
I
to
want to see a
hold.
break of 909, and then we just go straight to 20 at least. See if it does this pullback, or we just blast through. Fucking look at this ship. Bing, it's going. There's your rocket ship. Where's the rocket ship?
New York power hour 9K on the day. Let's go, Hanan.
Where's the rocket ship? There it is.
Yep.
Look, he's floating.
Big Papi Lama with his rocket ship and his moon gave the extra boost it needed. Guys, notice the second he started putting all that on his chart, it said, "Okay, let's go." Timing.
Good strat. Good strat right there. Good strat right there. You just draw it out what you want to see, and then it happens right and clean. We just want to see. I do not want to see it break back under 80. Like if it's gonna do a retest, just tap quick and then wick out and fully just go. Double doge. This double doji is not appealing to me.
Look at that 909.
Double doji is not appealing to me.
About to get trailed out on my runner because that 909 gave out.
No,
really
I'm gonna put a trail literally at like the 85. Literally, I'm gonna give it room to just come down and pop up. But I want to see a rocket ship. Full rocket ship. I'm not gonna let this shit scare me. I'm not gonna let it scare me, bro. If it pulls me out, it pulls me out, bro. Who cares? Full trail at 83. Full trail at 83 is. I'm just gonna give it all. I'm gonna go with a full 25-point trail. Like fuck it, bro. Who cares?
Looking like Magic School Bus computer video game platform. Yeah, nuance liquidity, nuance dog. Guys thought it's big.
Want to see the wick and flip on this candle, twin. Really want to see a wick and flip on this candle. And ES's midline has to hold here. There's the ES. It still hasn't hit midline, so it could dive a little deeper and then go. But this is still looking solid here. It's still looking solid here.
What is this guy talking about? No idea what he's talking about.
Just join what the fuck is on the chart? Brother, a rocket ship to the top. We're going to the moon. The moon landing was fake. Our moon landing is here in the 50s. So we need to approach, and there's a meteor coming too. Then there's aliens around.
Yeah, the aliens threw the meteor at us, in case you guys are wondering.
Hold on, it should be smaller than the moon. The moon should be bigger. There you go. Look at this. We're making this push. We break this 9. We go straight to 20. 20 is another partial. Yeah, you got a partial after taking these eyes over here.
My runner is still up 40 points, guys. Let's go, brother. I'm up 40 points on my runner.
This shit's fucking printing right now, Javi. This shit's getting a fucking printer. I'm not gonna lie to you, twin. Are using 1 or 2? They're both on, brother. Just look at the chart. There's 1 and 2 on. They have 2 fibs on.
Look at you, Renee. Way to go, Renee.
Shit is moving, Renee. 4 bands from Renee. I swear to God, I'll kiss that little fucking Asian. Where do you?
4 bandos.
Where do you? I'll kiss that fucking Asian.
Dude, Lama, you top ticket. I bottom ticked it at that 58. And then
you got it in clean. I got it in way later. Oh my God, there goes 20. There's another partial there. There's that 20 that we talked about. I want to see 50. I'm holding directly to 50. I don't give a fuck. I'm holding to a 50. I do not care. I do not care. Appropriate, don't care, please.
Another one.
Appropriate, don't care, please. At 20, look how that 20 reacts. This is why you take the partials. I'm giving y'all some chicken here. You take these structure points, you always partial because it could give a pullback. Now, if this next candle starts to pull back and if it breaks under, I'm trailing at 900.
We're about to save the moon, guys. We're close.
I'm giving back a lot of the monies, but whatever, it don't matter. It don't matter though. Look at that clean rejection off of it for almost 20 points. This is why you partial. We called the partial before it happened. We called the areas. Lama stopped. 3 FFFs passed on power hour. Fuck, I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep doing it forever and ever.
I want to see this. Hold this 909
I'm gonna keep doing it forever and ever. Forever and ever. I'm fully holding, bro. I do not care what happens in this fucking 30 trailed in profit and everything.
Yeah, I got my last con trailing at right underneath 900. I want to see this thing keep going. I have room. I have so much room.
Yeah, my trail's sitting at 98.25 because I want to see the first FE jizzle hold. See if we treasy through ski. Just scored 188% option call on that green candle. There you go. That's why I like to hear my bah. That's why I like to hear my bah. I'm holding this bitch to the moon landings. See if we take it all the way to the moon landings, but we're currently fucking rolling. Rolling. We don't continue here, we have a super problem. Problem. Next structure point, trails should go down to 95.
Break
It does
922.
break under 96. It will tank back down. So now you want to trail at 96. Structure points trailing at 96. About 20 points in profit. Now, if we do take this next high, we'll tell you where the next trail is. But for now, I am currently trailing at 6. We're ripping and I want to see 950. If we can close up here, next partial is going to be around the 30s, 10 points from here, because this is the last move that could give some type of shit back down. We don't want to curl. Don't want it to curl. We really don't want to curl.
Beautifully.
My next trail, once we pop into the 30s, I'm gonna have to trail it at 13. I just don't want to give back too much money.
Yeah.
Don't want to give back too much money.
Another 100+ point power hour, guys. Gals.
Yeah, I mean, bro, we started the power hour fucking 50 points in profit already.
Yeah. Smooth sailing.
Can you give us some chicken on how to build TPT funded? Use code P2P. Once you use code P2P, you instantly have a 98% chance of passing your account. So step one, you're on TPT and you use code P2P, you're already a lot closer to passing the account. From there, you just keep buying them and passing them, and then you're building them up. Now, once you get in the buffer, what I like to do, which is a little bit risky here, we're breaking a newer high. This is looking good here. This partials are going to be in the 30s. You're going to take your next partial in the 30, just in case that's the area of rejection. What I like to do is I like to go a little bit heavier when I'm on the fundeds and try to really catch a snipe where in that first minute I could pay myself a good amount where I'm not giving back a lot of unrealized gains.
I saw 60 points for a second and then it pulled back. I was going to take the
We're trending very close, bro. I honestly might have to just trail it at 20, bro. I don't think I want
I'm trailing at 20. There it is. There's 60 points for your boy.
Trailing at 22.5. There's this third. There's the 30s. This is another partial. I want to see if we rip straight to 50, bro.
Let's see 40.
I want to see if we rip straight to 50.
There it is. It's getting there. It's almost at 40. If it can rip through 40, yeah, you can see 50s in the pictures for sure. But I have one of my candles at freaking 40.
We're right there. We're getting close to the fucking moon landing. Very close to the moon landing. The moon. Please. Look, we gotta trail. We gotta trail it here. Look, bing. It's just going up here. We could actually crash here, though. This could be where we crash. This could be where we crash. So you want to take a heavy partial, guys? We mark this out for those that know. When you're in one pullback, we don't want to give that back. I'm trailing here at 20.5, about 40 points in profit. 40 points in profit is my trail. Over 100 points called in the power hour. Topside orb with the little stack level that we talked about. Super confluence here for a heavy partial, guys. This is what we look at. You can just pair it together. You pair these things together. Look how area of interest here goes directly to area of interest here. You know, not fucking around here. This is not a fuck around session. This is a past combine from Paul G. There you go. There you go. Everyone tag Logan. Say thank you, Logan. Thank you, Logan, Daddy.
Out here.
Everyone say thank you, Daddy Logan. I have trail sitting here at 20.50 and we're going to get pulled out. We're going to get pulled out if it goes down there. But if we do take a new high, I want to see 40 so fucking bad. Like I want to see 40 so fucking bad. And I've been saying it since we were 90 points. I want to see it. Like, come on. What the heck?
Somebody asked,
everyone, can I get a thank you, Logan, in the chat? Can I get a thanks, Logan? Illy. Can I get a Illy in the chat? Thanks, Daddy Logie.
Join the Discord.
Can I get a Illy in the chat? Illy Logie. Itty Daddy. So cute, Daddy. We're looking good here. We need to break above this 30 for us to continue all the way to the 40s and 50s. If we don't break it, it's going to give some type of nasty pullback. If we don't break the 30s, we give a nasty pullback, and I'm not giving back that much. My next
Nope.
trail is sitting here off that at 2350 is my next trail. Moved it a little bit higher. We should not take that low. If we do, it's going to dump way lower, and I'm not giving that money back. And we're pulled out.
I'm about to
And
get
we're
trailed
pulled out.
Mine's sitting at 20 and a quarter.
Crash landed. We crash landed. Didn't make it to the moon. We did not hold it because we trailed closely, but we did crash land there. Where's the crash emoji? Crash emoji. Hero please. Hero please. Where's the crash emoji?
The crash emoji. I'm still in
Crash
it. I'm still
emoji.
in it.
Hero.
It did not trail
Are
me
you?
out. Oh, here we
Nice.
go. Yeah, it did
I
not trail me
trailed it
out.
too close, Javi. I
Let's
trailed
get
it
the
too
40.
close, Javi.
Let's get the 40.
Oh my God, it's going, Javi. The strat
It's
6, strat 6, strat 6, strat 6,
There's 40. I'm
strat
gonna let it go
6. The
here.
moon is right there. The moon is right there.
Strat 6. Lama got pulled down. Get it in.
40.
I'm out. I'm letting it trail me out here. Let's go. There's fucking 40. Oh my God.
Moon hit. Moon hits. Let's see if it goes all the way to the 50s, but this was one of the main TPs. Nasty.
70
Fucking nasty.
My
So who
trail-
said the
Hey,
moon
Lama, you're
landing
here
was
as
fake?
promised.
Who said
Nice
it?
to see you, bro.
Yeah.
It's 2:09 a.m. here
Who
in
said the moon
Mumbai.
landing
it's
was
really
fake?
dipping as you have predicted.
Who
in
said the
morning.
moon landing was
Just
fake because we showed you the
$2.20
real moon
See y'all
landing?
tomorrow morning.
We showed you the real moon landing.
My boy Tashar. Hey Lama, you're here as promised. Nice to see you here, bro. It's 2:09 a.m. here in Mumbai. It's really dipping as you have predicted in the morning. Just $2.2 dono. See you tomorrow morning. Appreciate you, Tashar. That goes completely to the staff. We appreciate you, brother. Have a great night in Mumbai. Have a great night in Mumbai.
Thank you for the
What a fucking move there. What a fucking move there. What a fucking move
played out
there.
beautifully. There's 50.
There's 50. There
Yeah.
is 50. 49.75. Moon landing accomplished. Let's look for the little motherfucker.
Quantum gang. Guys, see the power of P2P and quantum like on full display today. It's been beautiful. This is amazing, guys.
Is there astronaut emojis?
Oh baby. Is there astronaut emojis? Make him fight the alien. Or make him make out. Hybrid
What?
babies.
So we can make out?
Maybe.
What'd you just say?
Nothing.
What this motherfucker just say?
Don't judge me. I'm into weird shit.
What that motherfucker just say? What that motherfucker? Had a limit order, missed it by 2 points on the way back up for reversal silence. I had to work, but caught the first dump over with you over 1K. Thanks. Gotcha, brother. Bang, bang. Good job there. Bang, bang. Skeet.
Let's go bang bang.
Very simple, guys. Very, very simple. We snipe it down. We snipe it up. There's a $5 donor from Kenneth Deuce. Tip the staff and buy the courses.
Tip the staff and buy the
Appreciate
courses.
you, brother. Thank you for the donation. Goes completely to the staff.
Wow.
All right. Well,
Wow. Oh,
that was pretty sick. We call the nasty short down. In the meantime, we have people complaining, saying, when are we taking trades? We patiently wait, avoid the chop, and then take a trade and take it all the way back up. Should we go back to talking about conspiracy theories, or do you guys want to come taking? What is it?
Yeah.
What should we do?
Dude, that
Is that me and
what? Wait.
Why am I in the front? Why am I always in the front?
Yeah. I that's accurate.
Why is
for me.
Javi smiling so
not-
hard?
I don't like to be the little spoon. I really like to be the big spoon. So that's why I'm
Why is
smiling.
Javi enjoying that ride so much, though?
To the moon. It looks like you're enjoying it pretty well too, man.
No, I
You
look
know?
frightened.
You look like you're surprised about something poking you in the back, actually.
Huh.
Like, what's that?
Huh.
It's the monster.
Huh, look at this bitch exploding. Full on exploder. Exploder.
Who is this one? Got Lama with his tongue out. Why is
Exploder.
Lama's look out on that one?
4 minutes to MOC. Is this how this goes, Javi? You catch bangers and then people like want more trades after that?
Yeah. They catch bangers and then like
Right.
20 minutes till MOC, 10 minutes, 5 seconds till MOC, MOC. And I'm like, guys, we just caught over 120 points. Plus, I don't care about MOC right now. We'll still, I'll still read it. Like even my wife, MOC. Even she's in on it. Oh my god, this thing is ripping,
Wow.
guys. 100 points from entry already. We got in
Yeah,
at 70.
it's a full 100 pointer. It's a full 100 pointer, and this has a lot of room. Like the way it was supposed to hesitate at 50, and it didn't. It just ripped through. This is going all the way up here. This is going all the way up here. So you guys want your trade? Your trade is to take it all the way up here. This structure point. This is where it's going.
Quarter would be my level for MOC to react if it stays up here. I don't have anything else in between. Literally nothing. 91 and a quarter, 25,575, and the next level's all the way down. Freaking 68. That's wild. So be cautious. I'm gonna be very cautious here. What if another freaking power hour?
Oh man, it was pretty free, bro.
It was very free, like insanely.
It was
free.
pretty free. It was pretty free there, twin. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you. Pretty free, and I'm about to open up Valorant and go play video games.
Oh yeah, go for it.
Solid picture right here in the chat. We appreciate this one. We appreciate this picture right here. Good picture right there.
Where that? I see no picture.
1 minute into MLC, what happens here? Maybe a pop up and then a wick out and a fall back down. Is what I'm thinking.
I'm looking for
thinking it pops up, wicks out, falls down,
and then see what it does there. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm eyeballing right now.
Let's see if it does that.
But I'm not really touching this. This is floating in between.
Laid and made bread on the funded. There you go. Good job there, buddy. Good job there, buddy. That shit was crispy, bro. Very, very crispy. Crispy as long. How do you know it was going to the moon level? Is it explained in the course? Ah, brother. Everything I know about trading is in that course. Everything. 5 seconds to MOC. See what happens.
5 seconds. I'm just waiting. I want to see what it does.
What's more interesting, the fact that I knew it was coming up here from here, or the fact that I knew it was coming up here and selling off from up here? What's more interesting to you?
I want to see if it rejects 72
Oh,
here.
this is going to shoot up. It's going to shoot up.
If it breaks through 72. If it can't break through 72.
Up from down is more interesting. My boys are smoking crack. Not going to lie to you. My boys are smoking crack.
Yeah,
baby. If you think this pop-up was way more interesting than fucking this sell-off right up here, you guys are smoking crack. I'll be honest with you. Called out a whole fucking 300-point down move. You're excited about this move? Pitiful.
Going back to 72.
If I seen you, I'd look you in your face and go.
What's it gonna do here? Is it gonna break this time? 72. What are you gonna do? You're rejecting again? Guess what? I'll scalp you again for a couple. There you go. Let's see. Get down there. Come on. Or take me out. If it breaks over 72, I'll be out. Just 3 micros. I'm just playing this with 3 micros right now.
Did the P2P indicator go off on these trades? No, sir, it didn't. That's the whole point of the classes. The whole point of the class is to know how to trade the levels. It'll only fire off when you see some shit on hood. That's the whole point of all the calls I've been doing. Honestly, bro, the fact that I've been teaching for $100 is I'm done. I'm not doing that anymore. I'll keep doing it for the rest of the month, but that's it. There's no possible way I'm gonna keep doing this shit. It's impossible. All hood. Can you get a discount? Fuck no.
No. No discounts for you. because you asked. It's just stuck right now. It's not moving. I'm just gonna
I'm
probably
giving
get
some
out of the-
sauce. I've been giving out too much sauce in the indicator chat. It's actually obnoxious. It's
No, it
actually
just needs more
obnoxious.
crap. This-
Chicken I've been giving out.
Oh, there goes 72. As soon as I was gonna get out of it, get down to 72. All right, now I'm out. Fuck that. Just 3 micros. Added like $60 on that. Not too much. There you go. There you go, Llama.
For an update on the fibs, yes. Put UTC -1.
But it's just stuck right now between 72 and freaking 58. That's it. I'm gonna see if this one last little runner wants to go or not. Almost 900 on this one account. On the other account, I made 700, and on the other account, I made 600. It's a pretty solid.
Can I get that shiesty? Ran out of shiesties. Gave them all out during the event. All shiesties got given out completely free. How does the mentorship work?
Out. Done.
Mentorship is specific one-on-one calls with students, going over them, going over their trades, going over everything. I don't promote it. It's just when people sign up, they sign up. I don't like to push it because it's expensive.
If
And
this
it's a lot of
goes
work.
above 72, this will go for 91.
I still want to see it go all the way to fucking 26,000. To be honest with you, there's no print below 58. Look how clean the top was. This is what we've been talking about the whole power hour. We explained the break, the retest, the break, the retest, the break, the retest, the break, the retest. Here goes your break, and here goes your retest. And we've been talking about it the whole time. There's an extra 30 points.
Now.
Make a website so I can buy merch? No.
Oh, got shelled out.
I
900.
don't care to sell merch. We give the merch away for free. Mama mentored me on how to love my lady better. Incorrect. If I mentored you on how to love your lady, she would have loved me.
It got to freaking 88 and a quarter. It has to break in the box to get to 91, but got really close. That was nice fast.
You are kind of low. You are kind of low, Javi.
I don't know why. Like, what could make it so low? Like the Discord, I checked my volume on the Discord.
What's your input? What's your
max.
input on the course?
Right.
Payment plan for the mentorship? Fuck no.
All my shit just turned off.
Fuck no. When you talk into the mic, it sounds way better.
When I talk into it like this, right?
Yeah.
But it's got to be like in my mouth, and I don't like the way that sounds.
Range Breaker and PTP has made me 4K this week, and I'm going to try and cover the course cost tomorrow and enroll. I already covered it, twin, by 4x.
I swear, there have to be settings. There's just things on the back here. There's got to be something to do with that.
I don't know what they do. The bunch back here, bang! Look at that. There goes Fiblo. There's 98.
God,
there's 99.
91.
This is it. This is full target. We talked about this being full target. Now, if this breaks, it has room to go all the way. But this is a heavy partial. Heavy partial. 150 points.
The couple rejections off 72, and then the pull over 72. I know you're in here. 72 was that stomping ground. You freaking degens. And there goes my computer again.
Too clean. Told y'all I want to see this bitch go up. When we talked about this, how do you play the levels? Break, retest, and then final level. There's no break here. This is your full TP. Untested structure point. We talked about this. I'm giving y'all too much chicken. Honestly, I'm teaching for free right here, and it's kind of pissing me the fuck off, bro. Kind of pissing me the fuck off. I'm putting too much time into this shit.
Rejected near that level up top. It was, what level was this? Oh, that was the mid of my sauce box, was 9975.
Rackham, where are you? You said you're a Futures 1 student. Go to the Futures 1 chat.
Maestro, this sauce box here was my last trade. All 14 PAs are green. Let's go, learning. Keep killing it, learning. All 14 PAs. Way to go, learning to trade.
Bang.
You're like the sauce box queen learning to trade, I think.
Remember the goal, you want to make millionaires this year? We appreciate it. I do want to make millionaires, but it will not come from over trading. But it won't come with.
Learning, you hold it all the you held it from 908 all the way up to 87 on the sauce box play. Nice job. Very nice. Here for the chat, in case they're wondering.
That boy said, "Llama teaching the course for free. Where's my refund?"
Buddy, you don't get any.
That's it. Everyone's cooked. Everyone's cooked. That's it. Everyone is cooked now, GG.
Freaking beautiful day. Dude, this whole freaking year has been amazing. Like this whole year, bro, has been amazing, man.
With water all over myself.
Ugh. Actually,
No session will ever be worth 5K. There's enough free. If you don't figure it out from there, the paid it won't work either. It's not one session, and it's not 5K. It's more than 5K. That's why I don't push it. And it's multiple sessions, countless sessions.
yep.
Same way that there's all this free info on how to go, diet, but people still get trainers. If you look at all the biggest bodybuilders, they all have trainers. They know what to eat, they know how to work out, but they get trainers. That's the same thing. And I don't even bother pushing the mentorship because I don't want to look like that type of guy pushing those types of things. But it's available. It is available. And I think all my mentees are extremely profitable. My most recent mentee is up $40,000 since he joined the mentorship about 31 days ago.
Damn right.
So,
Hold up. I haven't.
you think it's not worth it? You don't have to buy it, brother. Did I just come up with that? No, it's proven. It's proven, brother.
Oh, excuse me.
It's proven.
What? Okay, here we go. I haven't even posted what I made today.
Personal fitness in the mentorship? No. No, sir. No, sir. There is no personal fitness in the mentorship, brother. I don't do that one.
Personal fitness? What? We ain't do no. You see us guys? We're fat. We don't do no personal fitness.
Am I good at Valorant? I fell off. The new act came out. They dropped me to fucking plat from Ascendant. I haven't had time to really play like that. That boy said fitness. Okay. Got me there. Got me there. That was a good one.
All right, y'all. Let's do some giveaways. I'm gonna be staring at.
Oh, by the way, Javi, how was it? How was your call? How many heads joined?
It was like close to 700, 6 something, I think it was in the end that I saw.
Ooh.
Yeah. So that was good.
Ooh.
I hope that they were able to follow what I was reading because those plays were pretty simple.
Ooh, 600.
Yeah. I gave out a lot of sauce, like a little more
I want
than
to sell my
thought.
Mewtwo's and Mews. I don't really sell things. My problem is I buy things and I never sell, but I'll add you, farmer. Maybe I'm interested in selling. I don't know. I have a lot though. Look at that clean exit at the 25,000. I said, this is the structure point you do want to see it melt off of, and there's another 50 points down. I'm just saying we said it. I'm just saying we mentioned that would happen. Anyway, yeah, Javi, that's really good. So what does that mean? Does that mean I got to do it too tomorrow? Is that what that means? You guys showed out for Javi, so now I have to go live tomorrow and
You
teach
gotta go live
everyone?
tomorrow, brother. Yes.
What do you guys
that's
think?
exactly
What do you guys think about that? What if I drop a purple pickle emoji right now? Purple pickle, or what if I just drop this emoji right here? It's not type here. What if I drop that emoji, and if I see it get 300 reactions right now on that message right there, 300 reactions, I guess I'll do it, bro. Like I fucking guess. Like you guys showed out for Logan, you showed out for Javi. It's like I'm gonna have to teach tomorrow, guys. And we're already at 100 reactions. Fuck.
It's got to be done. It must be
Oh.
done.
Hmm.
You have no choice.
Wow. I guess you know what? You guys showed out. I'm gonna show out too. How do you get on board with the mentorship? If you're actually interested in the mentorship, like for real, because I don't like to push this shit. But if you are, you can open a support ticket and we can get it resolved. But I do not like to push it. I like to really focus on the students that come in.
Oh yeah.
Thinking about quitting my job because it interferes with my trading hours. I'm thinking about doing them. So, any advice on that? Quitting your job becomes tricky because once you depend on the money for trading, it alters your psychology in trading. So it gets very hard to quit your job. I personally wouldn't advise you. You only quit your job if you have, let's say, at least in my opinion, like a year or two worth of bills stacked up, money stacked up for your bills, where you can kind of do it. But I personally just wouldn't do it. Yes, I sent you a friend request, Farmer. That was me.
Yeah.
I do have a few Mews and Mewtwo's that just came back 10s, but I'm not like interested in selling. Odds are you're hitting me up to sell you shit, and I'm gonna ask you, what do you have for sale, and buy shit from. That's how this is gonna go. I can almost guarantee. Lone Wolf, should you quit your job? Not yet. Save up more money, Lone Wolf. That's my newest mentee for those asking. Those that want to know about the mentorship, Lone Wolf right there. Currently up 40 something bands in the past month. Considering quitting his job, and I'm still going to tell him no. No, I don't think so. You need to consistently do what you did this month for at least 2-3 more months. If you could at least do 20 this month and next month and stuff like that, and definitely more than that now. Okay, congratulations. That's amazing. I would at least try to consistently make some money.
All right.
Offer your course and payments? Fuck no.
671.
No, sir.
All right, let's do it. We're gonna do 3 weekly giveaways of any indicator of your choice, y'all. Okay, any indicator of your choice. Whoa, what did I all of a sudden almost went with an Asian accent there out of nowhere? That came out of nowhere. All right, 103 is gonna be the first number for the Discord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nice. 103 is such a clean. I always get down in the middle, bro. It pisses me off. I just got some signed Digimon cards and a new DBZ card. Bucks. Who is that? Who's MOT Production? Shoot me a message. I want to get into DBZ cards, bro. They're so clean. I want to start buying them shits. Guys, can I type 103 in the chat? He's looking for number 103.
We need to make sure everybody, if you guys want to be eligible, have that MLT tag, right? The easiest way to get it, if you see somebody with an MLT tag, click on their tag and adopt it. All right. The first winner would have been DT basketball, but you don't have the MLT tag. So unfortunately, I'm going to skip you.
Got cooked,
All right,
man.
next number. Get cooked. All right, 577. God damn, I kind of got on 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my God, so many. 12, 13, 14, 15, 19, 20.
One Piece cards are also clean as fuck, but they're already going for so much bread. Already going for so much chicken. It's like it's kind of gone.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mauricio.
Who got Pokemon cards for sale? Like now that we're on the who got Pokemon cards that they want to sell? I'm buying right now. Anything. That's how I'm feeling. I'm buying whatever.
Saya.
Got a shitload.
Dude,
I'll sell you some ass. Interesting. I'm buying.
You're a grunt. The Maestro gang.
Styles, I'm shooting you a friend request. I'm shooting you a friend request.
Mauricio.
You really got shit? Here, my jack. I'm buying whatever. That's how I'm feeling. Which Pokemon do I not have? Don't worry about it, twin. Just let me know what you got. Let me know what you got. I'm buying. How's that sound?
Mauricio. If it's the Discord acting up, yeah, it's saying failed to start camera. Are you having problems getting on, Mauricio?
Lama, how you not broke off? What not your? Fuck does that even mean, twin?
Hold on, I'm gonna disappear for a quick second.
Going through my parents' storage container this summer and looking for my old Pokemon cards from the 90s. I'll let you know everything. Alicia, you go do that right now. And I will give you 2 bands off rip without even looking at the card.
Lama, can you hear me?
There we go. Mauricio.
Yes, I can see you, Pookie. Sending out friend requests right now, boys. If you're getting one from me, you better show me some Pokemon. And you better be ready to sell. I'm not here to fucking waste my time. If I get my time wasted, I promise you you're banned.
This became the Pokemon card dealer show. Guys,
Pokemon card dealer show. I promise you.
Pokemon card dealer show. Guys, got some Pokemon. Llama's your guy.
Mauricio,
What's up?
what the fuck is that? Sam G riding a unicorn? Yeah.
He looks so happy.
He said Pat's getting
Look how
banned.
happy he looks.
Yo. Hey, no way, bruh. He's cooked.
He looks
Welcome to
like-
YouTube, Sam.
His dream was fulfilled in that picture. Like, that's the face of joy, pure joy.
I got a folder of Pokemon from 98, buddy. You're getting a friend request. Simple as that. If you're willing to sell Pokemon cards, fucking add me back. If
Somebody's
not,
comparing me to fucking Antonio Banderas. All right.
you do
There
sound
you
like
go.
him.
You do sound like Antonio Banderas. You do.
Mexican, not Spanish though, but yeah, that works. Lama, I'm actually. That's funny because I have been making a few videos online about I want to make a fucking song like they have been doing for the Power Hour, and I was trying to show you something, but I cannot send it to you to your DMs. I believe we have to be friends or something like that.
You wanna play it now?
No, no,
The
no,
song
no.
you wrote?
I'm gonna send it later.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but look, I've been working on some kind of anime style actually.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that, Llama. Kind of look like me there, though.
I
Isn't this the guy that we
yeah,
have on stage? How did you make this?
sauce.
Bro, that's
Oh.
from a picture. That's from my old room. How did you even get that picture from?
I don't think it's from your old room because I made it on ChatGPT.
I know it's from my old room because that's not the background I have now. It's the
Yeah,
background I had in my old room, in my old apartment.
ChatGPT found old.
Your old room.
photos.
All right. Yeah, no, I followed you since fucking last year, and yeah, I've been following you since two settings ago.
So you just have
Groups.
all these pictures of me on your computer.
Not really. I have a few, but yeah, it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it, believe me.
It's interesting. Very interesting. So how's trading been,
Wait,
Mauricio?
wait. Look at this one. Look at this one. No, the thing is that I do like AI and do stuff with AI, and I've been practicing here and there, and I think the P2P has very good. Look at this one. This is not very clear, but this is gonna be animated. It's gonna be cool.
That's cool. That's
I have
236,
been jerking
not
your-
263, but that's cool. That's actually really
Yeah,
cool.
sometimes fucking the images, sometimes it's just make random shit that is not exactly accurate. But maybe you remember the other day I gave you a video of P2P and then you were on your back with a fist, something like that. And
I don't
I
remember.
want to see. Yeah. Wait. Look at this one.
So you do just have a bunch of pictures of me on your computer. It's interesting, right?
Brother, I have way more of all of you, not all of you. I was making something for Javi. I did something for Logan. I was making something for the morning show. This is just on my free time. Honestly, it's not like only.
So you crank
it.
into those pictures.
Oh yeah, every day, every night.
Nice. Okay. No, it's understandable. Just asking. Just asking. We appreciate the honesty. Appreciate the honesty.
No, for sure. So
Right.
I don't know. Maybe if I get something done, I'll send it to you to see what's up.
So how's trading? How's trading? Are you a trader? You trading?
I am working on. Yeah, I have been. I have not getting any payouts yet, but I definitely passed accounts. I have not been blowing accounts. Finally, I think I'm on the break-even stage, but at least I'm not blowing accounts or resetting accounts or stuff like that. Getting better.
Interesting. Okay. I mean, that's good. I mean, so far you've been doing good. What type of strategy? I see you're a MOT student. You're a Maxway student.
Right.
How's that been? You're a Maxway student.
So
Logan
the
student.
first-
Hobby.
my
Oh, you're
first,
everyone's student.
Yeah.
You're everyone's student but mine. Nice. Congratulations.
That's about to change soon. It's not like I want to change my strategy. I'm really happy with the CSO. But when I first joined this community, I was sure that I wanted to get all the education I could and then try to choose because, I mean, in July last year, I didn't even heard of futures trading. I only been
Right.
doing it for 6-7 months. So I'm still trying to choose what works best for me. And
Uh-huh.
I have been finding some success on fucking, scalping, but I definitely want to see about longer trades. So yeah, I'll see how that goes.
You know what? I like you. So we're gonna give you a chance here. You're gonna get the free indicator. Javier, are we giving him free account too, or what?
Do we? How many accounts? I mean, we have an alpha account, but I never know the amount we have to give. Usually
All
Big
right,
Daddy
Max
knows.
isn't here. Who cares? We just give away like 2 or
All right.
3.
All right, let's do it.
We do first. We
do it,
do
Mauricio.
first. Ask later. We do, and then ask
All
for
right.
forgiveness. You just
All right.
won yourself a free alpha account plus the P2P indicator. How's that sound?
Awesome. That sounds like I'm blessed. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much.
Yes, you are blessed and highly favored. We appreciate you, brother. Thank you for tuning in. Oh, nice.
I don't want to sound like everyone, but you guys rock and you guys do amazing stuff. So keep pushing. Thank you so much.
What
Nice, brother.
the heck is that? Like they did
I
get a little
appreciate
AI
you.
of Izzy with her.
We
I didn't hear you,
appreciate
Javi. Javi, yeah, your mic has been low for a few days now, so it's just your mic. That's so weird.
I mean, I got to figure this out because it's up and down. Even in some of my YouTube videos, on some of them the mic volume is low, and on others it's not. And I'm just like, at this point, I haven't done anything. Like the everything is the same.
It could be your cable. This cable is probably loose.
Let me check. It feels pretty good. It's snug.
Anyway, thank you so much, man.
We appreciate you, Mauricio. Open the support ticker, bro.
Yep. Unplug and plug back.
Mods, get them right with the free alpha and the free P2P indicator.
All right, I unplugged it and plugged it back in, but
sounds good. It does go low though after a while. You could replace the cable. It could be something, but it does go low here and there.
I think this cable was kind of cheap, honestly, when I bought it.
Yep. Free alpha account P2P in the yes, sir.
I have to get
yes, sir. Let's give away another one, bro.
All right, let's do
give
it.
Away another one before Tubby pulls up and gets upset.
I would totally blow kisses to aliens if they ever came to abduct me. I would totally do that production. That's a very accurate picture of what I would do.
What if you blew a kiss at the alien? He started stroking his shit right in front of you.
I mean, as long as he took me in his spaceship, I'll be perfectly fine with it. Like, you know.
Okay.
He gets to get his rocks off. Let me get mine by going in the spaceship and flying around space.
Okay. No, I get that. Right. I understand. Yep. Respectable.
Hell yeah.
Pax, what is that? Phantasmal Flames?
Right.
Bro, I blew a band on Phantasmal. I get fucking anything, bro. I got cooked on that shit.
All right, YouTube, your turn. Let's go with the word. We're probably gonna get hit with the FBI for this, but conspiracy. Conspiracy will be your word.
I have to make it weird, Kalau. I just asked a question. He's the one that said it's okay. Like let's start there. I asked the question. He could have just said ill yucky. That's gay.
Nope.
But he said that's cool.
I will look for payments of some sort with a spaceship ride.
Right.
She knows if aliens ever came down and I was like if they were like taking people on space rides, I'd be the first one to be like, take me, motherfuckers. She knows.
All right, honest question.
Yeah.
Do you think that the spaceship can actually lift you up? Like the little fucking
They got to have that crane. They got to have the crane thing like on Toy Story to get my fat ass. The light will not be able to lift me up.
Right. Okay, no, like we appreciate the honesty. We appreciate that.
Yeah.
We appreciate that.
We need that thing that
guys. The word conspiracy. Say it once on the YouTube. On the YouTube, type out conspiracy, and you have a chance to win a free account
and indicator.
Fuck it. We're giving away an indicator to every person that comes up. 151 box. What's that going for? Booster bundle. 6 booster packs. I don't really like 151.
Jody Cooper. What is that? QTP, whatever. I don't know how to say. Jody Cooper. Congratulations, you are the winner. Open up a support ticket in the MOT Discord, Max Options Trading Discord. Let's go. All right, you get in account and a free week of any indicator for choice. Let's go. All right, back to the final one. We're gonna do one more for. Let's do something fun. I like what Izzy does. I like that Izzy either brings up people or asks to do jokes. Like I like that thing. Let's do a unique one for the end. All right, I'm not gonna have anyone throw ass. I'm married. I don't want to die. All right, my balls are my pride and joy. So I will not do that. But let's throw up some gifs. Let's throw up some gifs. If someone puts up a gif that makes me giggle, just giggle. I'll pick you. Come on, attack the gifs. We might crash Discord with this. All right. Okay, the coach buns. You had to do coach like that. the coach buns one. I tried to ignore it, but I was like, yeah, frisbee. Let's see. You got the MOT tag. You got the MOT tag. Oh, damn. No, for real. I missed Coach's chair spin. Llama, Coach has cheeks like that. Is that like
Bro,
accurate?
yes, bro. Coach is thick as fuck, bro.
Dude, like, if I knew that wasn't Coach, I would think that's a potential chick. Like, he's
I'm
got.
telling you, Coach is thick as fuck, bro. I don't know what it is, bro, but Coach is thick, bro. Like he's thick. It doesn't make any sense. I don't know what he got going on, bro. I'm just
I
saying,
thought-
guys. Like y'all seen the picture, bro. Y'all seen the picture. Coach is
Dude.
thick as fuck. This guy say he thicker than my girl. Right, he is. I'm telling you, like Coach be thick, bro. I don't know what's up with it. It's very weird. I don't know why he's so thick, but yeah, bro. I don't know.
I thought that
It's
shit
weird.
was photoshopped. I thought somebody photoshopped it. Like, because Max was
No,
saying,
that's bro. That's
"Yeah, no
just bro. That's
business
the
being that
craziest part. That's the craziest part is that you would think it's Photoshop. He's just naturally thick like that.
I'm trying to flip
the camera."
all right. What's up, guys? Yeah, I don't know how to flip the camera on Discord on my phone.
You're good, brother. You got me, man. That was a quick one. The Coach
Ah.
buttons.
Come on, boy.
I love that one. Hey, shout out to you guys, Javi. Shout out to you, Lama. You guys are the best, bro. So you guys made my morning. So shout out to you guys.
We appreciate you, bro.
Awesome, man. Well, go open that support ticket, brother. You got a free week of any indicator of your choice and a free account. Giving it all away
Thank you
today,
so
man.
much.
So let's go, man.
Thank you so
Enjoy
much.
that support ticket, brother. And we'll see you next
Thank
time,
you.
man. Awesome,
All right.
guys.
Thank you, guys. Awesome.
Nice.
Thank you. Woo! All right. I'm wiped. I got an appointment in like an hour. Probably have 30 minutes to take a break. I haven't taken a break at all. I've been on my computer all morning. Morning show, then did the thing. Yeah, dude. I had a student I was supposed to teach today and I couldn't, but that'll be tomorrow. Tomorrow's morning show, we'll see how long that goes. Because I'll be on there too. So you guys get to see me a lot. You guys get to see me some more tomorrow morning. It's gonna be fun. Good times. Guys, thank you for joining us. Freaking insane power hour. Like it was crazy. The confluences we had. Obviously, you guys know how much I preach Lama shit. I love his stuff. We have the same levels, same areas. It's always a beautiful thing to like have him on here, and then I can see the same things he sees. So it's amazing, guys. If you guys haven't tapped in, pay to play, university, get that freaking P2P indicator. That thing's goated. I love it. I have it on my chart all the time. Guys, tune in with all their socials, all our socials, Insta, TikTok, YouTube. Lama, do you have any indicator content for your shit on any of your channels?
On my channels, no, I have like 5-6 videos in the private indicator in the chat, but no, I don't have any.
There you go. All right, I was curious about that. So there you go, guys. If you guys lock in on that indicator, he has videos pinned in the message in the chat. So go
In the
check
private
those out.
chat, there's already like 4 or 5 videos in it. We're doing calls. If you want to see how it works, I mean, before it was coded, I've been using the same shit for the past 14 months. So you're seeing how the levels react. It's just so you're not having a guessing game. Same way that we wanted the longs up here and it ripped, we knew it was going to target this up here. And then same areas of here where just risk reward makes sense, sold off from all the way up there. Just very simple. I teach people how to trade it without the fire offs, where you don't have to wait for the fire off. You're still able to take trades all the way. Look how this was here before the indicator. Before like we got down here, we knew this was area. We went from level to level. You know the exact range of the day that it's going to be before it happens, so it's not a guessing game. That's pretty much it, guys. You guys showed off for Javi, you showed off for Logan. I appreciate that. So I'm gonna get on tomorrow. We're gonna do fucking teaching on the indicator, and we're gonna give away a fuck ton of indicators. I don't give a fuck. Okay.
Lock in, guys. Lock in. Let's go.
We appreciate y'all. It's a pleasure. Make sure to go follow the hobby. Make sure to subscribe to his YouTube. He's got hella videos posted. If you're into fucking Pokemon and you got Pokemon for sale, shoot me a friend request. I'm buying everything. I don't give a fuck anymore. We're throwing this trading money into Pokemon. Love y'all. We're out of here. Javi, good fucking shit today, brother. We killed it. Oh, guys, by the way, if you're still here, tag Logan and say, thanks, Logan. Great day. Love you. Say, Illy Logie. W Logan, W Logan. Make sure to tag him. Blow his phone up. Let's piss Logan off. There's nothing better than pissing Logan off. Make sure to tag him. Blow his phone up. Say, thanks, Logie. And we're out of here. All right, guys. Pleasure. We love y'all.
AJ's.
See you in the morning. We're out of here.
Oh.
We're fucking blowing his shit up.
Yeah,
Look at they're blowing him up.
Get out. He's out there.
What the fuck is going on my phone, bro? What the fuck? We're out of here, boys. Anarchy, fuck, I don't even know who's producer for this guy. Light some one of y'all fucking kick fire on this shit. I'm out this motherfucker.
And it flipped on his head, it's effective. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to trip. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little tip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip, one and shit, turned into a chip. We in and out quick. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, turning up on both hands, that's dinero. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, turning up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, the Sauvignon blind. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt, but you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Gone and ship, gone and doing ship, then I did it again. Gone and ship, gone and doing ship. We in and out quick, and my head